Hey guys, so I'm here today to talk about two watermelon wipes. That's the Yes To watermelon and the watermelon from Clean and Clear. So we're going to talk about these. Now when it comes to packaging, I have to give it to Yes To. I feel like their packaging with the little watermelon slices is super cute. This is cool too. It's more of an abstract kind of packaging. Like, I don't know. They chose to go with two big pieces of watermelon and some watermelon seeds and drops, like water drops. Here. You can't really see it, it's reflecting badly. So here's my quick comparison. These smell like more like real watermelon, which they are 97% natural ingredients, so I would expect that. These watermelon wipes smell like the candy watermelon scent, like not the good watermelon scent. The smell of these, honestly, I've considered giving these away, but I'm going to finish them. Probably mostly whenever doing swatches and stuff, I'll use these. And then for actual skincare, I will stick to this. Because I just feel like these actually remove better than these do. It took me, I put on foundation earlier, and primer, and they kept messing with it, and I hated the way it looked, and I ended up taking all of it off, and I actually ended up using one entire wipe front and back, and then having to switch over to my makeup eraser because I still had makeup everywhere and I didn't want to use more wipes. So I'm trying to be kind of, I guess, like conscious of usage. I probably should have just used another one, but I decided to use the makeup eraser instead. And because I have all this scarring here that the makeup tends to stick in there, and I have to like fight it to get it out. It was not the best situation. Honestly, I really prefer the Yes To brand, and I hope they make them permanent. They're pretty good from what I've seen at making all the different lines, and I haven't seen one that they've discontinued, so maybe I'll be lucky. And these will be permanent because these were the same price or a few cents difference, and the Walmart brand one is the same price. Now this has 40 wipes. This only has 25. Go with the Yes To. Skip the Clean and Clear. That's all I've got to say about this product. I hope you enjoyed this kind of quick video. I'm trying to be faster. I'm trying to not take so much time when it comes to the videos because I know that you guys don't enjoy that. And, well, what more am I going to say about wipes? The ones are way better than the others, so I recommend those. So thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.